In the previous video, we showed you how to create a project and install the Synalyt tracking script on your website. If you haven't done that yet, make sure to watch that video first. Now let's move on to the next step, creating sources. In Synalyt, a source represents any advertising system or traffic origin that leads visitors to your website. It can be an advertising platform such as Google Ads or Meta Ads, or any other place where your website link is published. For example, your link could be in your YouTube channel description, in your Instagram bio, in a Telegram post, or anywhere else on the internet. To make sure Synalyt can track traffic from each of these sources correctly, every link must include a unique Synalyt parameter. This unique parameter is automatically generated inside Synalyt when you create a new source. To activate tracking, you simply copy this parameter and add it to your website link. Place a question mark between your base URL and the Synalyt parameter. Here is an example. That's it. This link now becomes trackable. Any user visiting your website through this specific link will be correctly attributed to the corresponding source in Synalyt. In the next video, we will talk about actions, what they are and how to set them up inside your project. Synalyt track what really matters.